Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Hello, hello. How are you? I'll even wave. Not sure where the camera is. There's a couple of cameras here. There's this one that you can see here, and of course there's another one which is what is over here. Look, hello, hello. Two cameras. Why? Well, I just fancied having that whole transition thing go off at once. Right, where am I? I'm over here now, aren't I? Yes. I think I want to go back to being looking straight on like that. Right, I'm just testing this. Bear with me. Trying to get it ready so I can bring you some half decent content. Oh, by the way, look at this DJ. Look how it's twiddling with its buttons. Now, there's normally only 3 knobs. Knobs! Not sliders. Knobs. There's only normally 3 knobs that they should be touching during a mixing session. And that's the highs, mids and lows. If they're changing the beat from one song to another, then they'll turn this, for argument's sake, they'll turn the bass off one track and just have the bass coming on 2 tracks. That way you don't have 2 basses fighting together. Little DJ secret there, if you didn't know that. But yeah, if they're mixing 2 songs, they'll drop the bass or the harmony, whichever way they're going in, but they'll drop one or the other. So they can mix the song in and it not sound too ropey. It's not, when you're mixing off the fly anyway, when you're at a gig and you're mixing, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. As long as it fits, it fits. That's all it goes through. As long as you still get that scream or that shriek from inside the audience when you give it a little mix, a little tickle of a mix, and someone hears the song in advance and they give you that little shriek, then you know you're doing well. So this is my YouTube channel. This is where I'll be bringing you some content. What I thought I would do is just give you a quick update on my last video. If you would have saw the last video, it's up there. You can still go and see it. I'll be taking it down very soon. It tells you that we got some very bad news from the doctor. And I just thought I'd let you know I'm 3 months in to a 6-month waiting list. I'm 3 months in and I'm still fit as a fiddle and going strong, as you could probably hear. I've just recently started doing some covering work for Sittingbourne FM on 106.9 or on any of your smart devices, by the way. This week, I've had 3 days a week this week. Next week, I've got pretty much the same. And then wherever the cover's needed, I'll fit in there as well. But I still have my lovely show on Maritime every Monday from 11 o'clock. You can catch me there as well. And you'll be catching me here pretty soon. I'm going to bring you some content. There's a few things that's been niggling me recently. Auditors. Have you seen these auditors? They go around places and fly drones, and they have arguments with people, and they sort of put a bee in my bonnet. So I've been doing a little bit of research on auditors. So I'll be bringing that to you. Watch out for that. That's probably going to get me into a little bit of trouble. What have I got to lose? I don't know. And then there's a few other things I have in the pipeline I can't tell you about at this moment in time, because they will automatically know who I'm talking about and probably take steps to get the channel taken down. I know it does happen. People are that sad. Anyway, I think that's long enough. I'm not sure how long this video's gone on. I couldn't play no music. YouTube doesn't like music. It sort of says no thank you, and it cuts the audio out. I've got to look into a way where I can play music, and if I have to pay for it to do it, I'll do it. I don't mind doing it. I don't know if there's some sort of licensing that you have to go for. I'm already a premium subscriber on YouTube, so it's got nothing to do with the premium subscription. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not even sure if I can play it via my Spotify. I don't know. I don't know these things. I need someone to tell me. That's where Mrs. D. Donovan comes in and reads the manual. Right, so I think that's long enough. Now, if you can hear me, if you've not been looking at my lips moving and just hear nothing, there's no music, so don't think that DJ there is pressing all those buttons and there's no music. I'm not playing any music because I've got to look into that. That's one thing I've got to do this week. But if you can hear me, that's great. And if you can see me, hello, that's even better. Just click like, let me know. I'll see the like go up, and then I'll know that you can see me. I'm going to say hi to all the people who subscribed recently. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that, especially Mr. Street Video Reviewer, you too. Also, I'm going to say hi to Dino, and hello to all the guys, first of all, at the Sittingbourne branch of ELS, and then I'll go to the other branches. And I'm not going personally to the branches. I mean, I'll just pop to the other branches vocally here and say hi to you too. Thank you very much for your support on the radio. It's greatly appreciated. Right, well, that's it. I'm Marty D. Donovan, the broadcast ninja. That's, if you can hear what I'm saying, then it's great. Just click like. Let me know. I know it's going to say start soon in a second, but there's nothing starting. It's just me going away. So until next time, thank you very much, and I will catch you very, very soon.